I don't think I will ever tire of saying how honored I am to have been selected to serve as president of Trinity University. Trinity University is a remarkable institution. From a historical perspective, Trinity has the rare ability to reinvent itself in a new context to meet new challenges. How do we meet the challenge of reinventing ourselves for the future that is rapidly moving toward us? One of my goals as president is to ensure that Trinity is recognized as the model of 21st century liberal arts and sciences education envisioned by the Trinity Tomorrow strategic plan. I want others to recognize the ways that Trinity is already innovating and leading the way in liberal education. Kimberly and I are looking forward to being active members of the Trinity community and participating in all that it has to offer. We are settling into our home and preparing it for the many occasions we anticipate to welcome students, parents, faculty, staff, and friends so that they can get to know us a little bit better. Leroy even helped us out a bit. I believe I have a unique background for engaging with the many facets of San Antonio's and Texas heritage. In the immediate term, I will be meeting with a variety of constituency groups to talk and to listen. One of the key things that I have learned in my experience leading many groups is that listening is the place where you begin. You understand their stories, their dreams, and their aspirations. As they trust you, they may open up a bit more. And I feel like I am good at building trust to allow this to happen. In terms of experience, I bring to this role a track record of being very good at moving from gathering information to developing a plan, to implementing a process for following through and carrying the plan out, to making it become a reality. I am looking forward to meeting with alumni because they are the beneficiaries of the Trinity experience. Recently, I had a chance to meet with all of the current faculty members who are Trinity alumni. Their stories are impressive. I want to get to know the broader stories about the experience of all Trinity alumni and how the experience prepared them to make a difference in the world. I'm also interested to learn how we can make the Trinity experience better for future generations of students. I believe that our alumni can help us be our best. Everything that we can accomplish will be more successful if we have the support of our alumni. Their support is also a direct investment in our ability to increase the value of their degree, because they will forever be known as Trinity graduates. But it's not just the monetary value of the degree. I think that there is a sense of pride that we want to be strong and authentic for our graduates, and we want them to see the great things that are happening on our campus. When I was an undergraduate student at Austin College, I was like many students at Trinity. I wasn't really aware of the breadth of things that I could do, the professions I could consider. I started out thinking I wanted to go to medical school and was going to study chemistry or biology, both of which I loved. But then I started taking classes in economics, and I couldn't quite decide. I came to a point where I realized that I wanted to put a little bit of distance between myself and my immediate world. I was looking for a way to pop the bubble that I was living in. So I went on a study abroad experience to Spain and discovered that I really had a skill for literary analysis and that I was fascinated with Latin American literature. So I gave up chemistry, I reduced my study of economics, and I finished my degree by putting more emphasis on Spanish. I actually draw on all of those things, and I've used them in my scholarship, and I use them in my administrative work. It's the ability to read carefully and to pick up on the nuances of messages that are part of what a good administrator needs. I am excited to begin my term as president. I've heard stories about how Trinity has changed the lives of students, and I know that working together with faculty, staff, students, alumni, friends of the university, this experience is going to change me. Together, we're going to make things happen that are far greater than we have ever imagined.